Hello and welcome back to Spoken Essays. I'm Harshal Vora and you're watching the live video where I figure out how to code. So let's begin and let's see what we were up to the last time. I think in the previous video, which is approximately. Okay, I'll be right back. I'm sorry about that. I had a phone call on the camera I was using. Anyway, let's get started and let's see what I was doing before. So, okay. Yeah, that happened. Sorry about that. Yep. Occasional hazard or occupational hazard, really, but yeah. Anyway, so let's see what we were dealing with before. I've already shared my screen, as you can see here. OBS. Yep, that's the one. Okay, I'll now do a split screen again. Okay, now I'll go to backend development and APIs. Of course, there will be several APIs. Interesting, URL shortener microservice doesn't work anymore. What? When did that happen? Interesting. I have to go to replit then. Replit home. There should be several. Which one's ours? URL shortener. Alright, yeah, this is what I came up with. That shortens the URL. Yeah. I just noticed that I didn't, somehow I haven't passed this project, which is very weird. Am I not logged in? I am logged in. I'll refresh this just in case. I'm already logged in here. This didn't run or what? Did this not run? It ran into an internal error. Now it started. Okay. I'll copy this URL and I'll go to URL shortener microservice and I'll ask it to run the test. Yeah, exactly. Please go to the next one. I've already finished exercise tracker. I'll go to the next one, please. Okay. File data metadata microservice. Okay. Yeah, we will use MongoDB in here, so for this. Anyway, so this is what I'm going. This is what we are going to create now. File metadata microservice. Please upload a file. Oh, very cool. That is the way to go. Repository destination will be FCC projects and this. Yep, open it. Thank you. I'll also copy some of my code from previous projects. Which was exercise tracker and package.json. I will copy the dependencies. Yeah, who knows what we might need or might not need. Package and index, and also the HTML file for the request object. Cool. Wait a minute, let's check. .env, express and course. Course.env, express, mongo and body parser. Okay, very good. Body parser for post requests. Oh, there won't be any post requests, so maybe not. Should provide your own project, not the example URL. Yeah. What? You can submit a form that includes a file upload. Is there not an index? There is an index HTML file. Let me look at this. npm install. Very good. Now npm start. Cool. Let's see what it prints first. Localhost at 3000. Okay, so yeah, you can submit a form that includes a file upload. That's the form. The form file input field has the name attribute set to up file. Oh, am I changing the what? Multer npm package to handle file uploading. Okay, right. So I need to work on this. I'll be right back. I'm going to take a short break. I'll make some coffee for myself before I get started with this. Do not go anywhere. Is that how? Okay, never mind. Sorry about that, let's continue. Right. So you can submit a form that includes a file upload, which is this. Choose a file, and let's say I click a file, select this file and then upload, then that would get uploaded. Where? When you submit a file, you receive the name, type and size in bytes within the JSON response. Okay, let's try this then. Example CSV, please. I would like to delete all of them. A CSV file and password with recovery codes, whatever. Basically, we have a CSV file. Very good. Now I will upload it. Can I upload it this way? Yes, I can drag and drop it. Very good. So this file was clicked, and if I click on upload, good. Whatever the name of the file is, and its type, and its size. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. And this says you can use the Multer npm package. npm, let's find out what that is. Multer is a node middleware for handling multi-part form data, which is primarily used for uploading files. It is written on top of busboy for maximum efficiency. That's how you can do it. And this is probably okay. Yep. Yeah, might as well. In case, so .none method to handle only multi-part form, you should use the .none method. Okay, but what does it look like? Let's see. App.post profile upload.single avatar. Okay. So this won't be as easy as it looks. As if it, but it never did look easy, so you can just ignore that. Right. First of all, let's look into the tests and see. You should provide your own project and not the example URL. Of course, and I can't also put the local host. Yeah. You can submit a form that includes a file upload. Right now, we can't do that. I can choose a file, but it won't be uploaded anywhere. Wait, I already have that CSV right here. Cool. If I click on this, it will say cannot post file analyze. So that's the API endpoint. Yep. This also says file analyze. Very good. Very good. Okay. And that's a post method. So let me look into this. Do you have a post? Yes, we do. It's called a multipart / form data. Encryption type is multipart form data. Okay. Yeah. The input field has the name attribute set to up file. Do I see that? Yep. So this already exists. That's okay. So that means that I don't need to look into index.html, I suppose. Okay. And the action is API file analyze, like I saw. Okay. So app.get, and then in here, oh, not get, actually this will be post. Post what? This. And then request and response. An arrow function. I suppose maybe it will be asynchronous, maybe it will not be. I don't know yet. We'll get there. I'll also copy some of my code from my previous projects. Yeah, Finder, please. Where's Finder? Oh, that's there. There it is. Okay. Let me connect to Mongoose. Has Express not been installed? Oh, it's defined, declared twice. My bad. Interesting. Right. We have uname schema. Yeah, we'll need a schema. Upload file schema probably. It sounds coming somewhere. Anyway. Okay. I'll comment it out, but I don't know what we'll use it for yet. All of it. Okay. Does this? Oh, by the way, the reward wrap is automatically on. Very good. Use app, course, whatever. And I also need to do one thing. Yeah, fine. Copy this function and define it. What is that? Get working changes. Find it. I am not calling that yet. I don't even know if I will need this. Yeah, we're working on a completely different project. Let's continue. I will definitely need that body parser. I'll paste it here. Yeah. What's the mosquitoes? Got it. Okay. Now this would return response.json, an object that shows us name, type and size. Oh. Let's also format all of this, please. Command K, Command F. Okay. Anyway, okay, so this was defined. This will be file name. Yeah. This will be file type, file size, For now, we also need to, of course, upload that file, I suppose, in MongoDB. So that's where this comes, Multer. But where will you upload it? Upload.fields. Yeah, you know what, let's first import it as well and then get worry about that. PNC type, yeah, that's already done. Okay, so Multer, let's read the usage. Multer adds a body object and a file or files object to the request object. Okay. The body object contains the values of the text fields of the form. The files or file object contains the files uploaded via the form. Basic usage example. This is the HTML and this is the backend Node.js code. As you can see here, this is required. It is made to be required. I don't know if we'll use DNS here. No, that was for URLs. Right. I'll create a constant here, multer or multer. App express shall be here then. I don't know what you are, I don't need it yet, so I'll ignore it. Upload multer dist uploads. I do not know what that means. It must be that post method, or I don't know yet. I don't see uploads there. Is this a common method? Maybe, maybe not. How multer is used in an HTML form, that's okay. API, we get field name, original name of the file on the user's computer, yes. Encoding, MIME type, size and destination. Upload a file to MongoDB, cloud hosted database. Oh, it's paid for, so no, not that way. Does this, how do I access a file? What? I don't think I'm supposed to upload that file anywhere. I'm only supposed to get this to analyze this file metadata microservice. I suppose we're only supposed to print this much. If so, then it's quite easy now. Yeah, file name, it's literally file name. That's their API. Also need to import multer in the package. multer. What is the latest version? As the LTS, but what's the number? Install multer, that's okay. So there are a bunch of things. Yeah, I saw that. Latest is 145-LTS.1. I don't know if I should write that much or not. I remember that nomenclature was this. Maybe it will work. We can never know until we try. Is this file not saved? Save it, please. What is cause? Is it used anywhere? Yes, app.use cause. What for? Cross-origin resource sharing, by which a front-end can make requests for sources to an external backend server. Cross-origin. A single. Okay, that is so cool. So I think if I ask it to install multer, no matching version found for multer. So such a version does not exist. That means multer version, please. Yeah, I can read 144 LTS. Okay. These guys say LTS. Okay. I'll be right back. Yeah, sorry, the phone fell. Right, multi version. So I need to understand how versions are written, I suppose. Let's Google Mongoose version and see how they write their versions. Wow, 7.5.0, 5.0. In that case, let me copy this exactly as it is. If that works, I'll be very happy. Yeah. Nope. Tags may not have any characters. It has an invalid tag name. Okay. Mulder package JSON file. How do I import it, please? Mulder in Node.js by scalar topics. Okay. Node init. This is a tutorial. Again, not what I'm requesting. In PMI express Mulder. How do I write it? Okay, I have a way to find out. I'll copy this command and paste it and see what installing it. Okay. Now if I write mulder-v, it should tell me the version. It does not find, so I think I have to write npm mulder v 9.810. Wow, so cool. Yeah. Now I can continue with npm install. Everything has been installed. So 1 minute, what? Still says no matching version found for Multer. So I'm not writing this correctly, I suppose. Create an express server. Like, what is this? Oh, that's Multer, right? Install express Multer. So these guys are. Oh, I've installed it anyway, so I think I'm good. Fine. I'll comment this out until I know what the problem is. Yeah, I can't comment it out. Interesting. Fine, just go. Cool. So we come back here. This thing. Now let's take a look at the usage. What does it say? Okay, so in post we write. Okay, so this is the form action profile method post. Our action is file analyze, API file analyze. That's okay. So those are the parallels I can draw. ENC type, encryption type is, I don't know, maybe something. Then we have input file name avatar. Okay, this takes avatar. Yeah. Name is avatar. Ours is up file. Yes, it is up file. Are you? Form action. Yeah, action and inside this we have two input fields, by the way. One is the upload and one is the upload, but one is the input and one is the button. They're both input. What am I saying? But one is in fact called up file. Yeah, let's continue. So I'm supposed to pass this as an argument, or I'm not supposed to do it. This example says so. This is an example of a usage. Anyway, okay, next we have a callback function. Request.file is the avatar file. Request.body will hold the text fields if there were any. Got it. That's it. I can do that, huh? Now I do not know what this is. They have not added any comments to understand what they're talking about, but fine. Avatar file. So if we are uploading a file, I think upload.single, yeah, we're only uploading one item. This is, what is this? CP upload.files, name, avatar, max count, name, gallery, max count. App.post, cool profile, CP upload, which is this variable function. Okay. Request.files is an object where field name is the key and the value is array of files. Got it. Okay. Oh, so avatar is that up file. So just like avatar, I'm going to use up file here, I suppose. Okay. Upload.single. Yeah. Right now we're not sending any files to another database. I'm not uploading a file to a database yet. We are yet to do that, I think. But if it does come to that, then in case you need to handle a text only multi-part form, nope. Here's an example of how Multer is used how Multer is used an HTML form. That is incorrect. But this is correct. Here's an example of how Multer is used in an HTML form. This anyway. Yeah. Form control file, get me the stats, etc. etc. This is then in your JavaScript file you write this. I do not know what this nest is. It stores the upload object, so it has some value and I don't know what. Destination perhaps, Probably, yeah. I can only can't think of anything else. The destination. And the destination is public data uploads. But I don't think we will need that yet. I think we'll be okay with request and response for now. But let's check anyway. Maybe this project is larger or smaller than it looks. So here I'll go to I'll ask it to print to the console what it says. So console.log request.file. Not only request. Yeah, let's just, who am I kidding? What does the request print? I've already installed everything. npm start please. I can't start it because it can't find Mulder. Yeah. Okay. Can't find it because I haven't installed it in this project, but that is untrue. Is it? Because if I ask it to print Mulder, then it's a version, then it says 9.8.0. Okay. But it claimed this to be untrue, so I can't write Mulder, I have to write something else. Add Mulder as dependency. Wow. npm install. Wow. चालू नहीं किया और पॉपअप शुरू हो गए. Welcome to API. These guys. Okay. Nowhere in here do I see the dependencies keyword. I'll use command F to look for dependencies. Oh, it does. I mean, that word is used twice, but not where I'm supposed to look. Easily upload. Dependency problem. How do I write it? Readme code 7 dependencies. What is your dependency? What are you called? If I write here body parser, it takes me to body parser. If I search course, CORS, it will take me to course. If I write MULTER, it will take me to Mulder. Yeah. So then what's the problem? Am I supposed to use this save function call? Okay. Added 10 packages. The save function did something else. And I don't know if this is supposed to work or not work. I do not know. MULTER, the spelling is correct. So it's not about the spelling, it's the way I've written the code. I'll save the code. Fail to save the content of the file is newer. Compare. Yeah, please. Cool, thank you. How do I go about it? ठीक है, हाँ तो कर देना. Use actions in the editor toolbar to either do or undo. Okay, done. Saved. कहाँ गया? npm start please. Okay, so yeah, I think it has installed multi now. Right. Now we go to what? I don't know if whether we will be using MongoDB yet or not. I'll comment it out. Or Mongoose. Yeah. Body parser, yes, because we will need to. Yeah, we'll need that. But for now, let's just see. If I go to localhost, wait, cancel and run again, please. Why did it not? Okay, choose a file. Not, I'll refresh the page just in case. Very good. Now I'll choose a file called this. Username, entry code, CSV. If I click on upload, it prints this, and we see a lot of data here. Good. So I shouldn't only have written that much. Okay, my bad. I get it. But I can see. Can I see? Request stores a lot of data. I think I have to go to body then. What does request.body say? Yeah. How about now? I'll upload the same thing. Call it printed in empty object. So request.body is not what we're looking for. Maybe it's file name. Yeah, I don't think it will be that easy. Let's find out. File. Does that return? It returns the word file multiple times. File analyze, file analyze. We have file analyze. File again. Okay. There's only one way to find out. If I clear the output and ask it to start again. Good. Now if I refresh this, yeah, please. Yeah. Returns an empty object because this is request again, cancel, clear, start, refresh. Good. So we see this as output. Let's get started. Okay, how much of this will be of our use? Content type. By the way, what is the file's name? .csv, right? Let's try to find out whether it's stored here. .cs. Nope. So yeah, then it will be there isn't any point. Okay. I suppose somehow I have to take this. Unfortunately, I'm not uploading it to anywhere called uploads. So let's see what that does. There won't be any destination. What can I do about that? In case you need to handle a text-only multi-platform, you should use dot and none method. Maybe I need to use that. We can only find out once we have tried the options. Okay. Where do I define it? Outside. Okay. There isn't any path mentioned in our project anywhere like this. I don't know what it will do. How will it take a destination if we aren't working on that destination? It doesn't make sense. Why is this uploaded file now? Why does this say uploaded file? This shouldn't be uploaded file. Oh, it will be something else, my bad. Okay, where was the post response? Here. After this, so a new argument. you won't be uploaded file, you will be up file. So I can edit it. up file, let's confirm. Yep, up file it is, it works. Upload not single. Now we're not uploading anything, but yeah. Request.file and request.body. We don't need request.body. We'll ask it to print a request.file. Okay. We also need this field name. Each file contains the following information. So that means a file object will be returned. How do I access this? In an average web app, only destination might be required and configured as shown in the following example. Yeah, we're not even adding a destination because we're not storing anything yet. If you want more control over your uploads, you'll want to use the storage option instead of destination. Yeah, multiple ships with storage engines, disk storage and memory storage. More engines are available from third parties. Accept a single file with the name field name. The single file will be stored in request.file. Yep, I would like to do that actually. Instead of destination, what does it look like? Multi.disk storage. Okay. Storage as storage. Okay. Destination or storage, where to store the file. This would store that. How do I write it? Command F and look for it without knowing their field name. App.use. Okay. Let's read their code. Okay, so you did that. Then you added a body parser. Cool. Request.files. Not file, files. Fine. Yeah, files. But this says upload.any. Interesting. Yes. Huh. This doesn't work. Not tested, but it should work. Multi.any. Okay, fine. Let's find out. Any. And then up file. What if I remove up file as well? Request.files. Let's find out whether this is responding the way it should. If it doesn't, then we search a little bit more. Yep, it printed this. Now, without upload any, what would it print? Let's find out. It would print undefined, so we definitely need that keyword because upload variable is defined here, which is multi-destination uploads. Huh. And that worked. Huh. Here we have everything we need. Okay. So request.files returned what? An array of objects. So maybe I can use upload.one. What was the keyword? Single. Yeah, single was the keyword. Save and then run now. Okay. That's the first time it took some problem. Okay. Number 3, refresh the page. If I refresh it, it says undefined. Upload single. So this didn't work. What if I write any? Cool. So that also works. Any with up file. Field name up file. Yep. Cool. And what was this before? Request.files. What if I write file? What would it return? Would it return undefined? It would return undefined. So we definitely need that. So request.files. Cool. So I create a variable, let file data be. Oh, I did that. So can't go away. let file data be request not files, which is an array. The 0th item from that thing. So now it's an object dot, not notation for, yeah, I'll leave the dot notation for this. Okay, for the response. Here I write file data dot what? Original name dot CSV. Dot notation originals. Okay. Then I want file data dot what? Oh, sorry. We want its type, which is MIME type. Okay. MIME type. And the next one is its size. So file data dot size. Okay. Suppose I think I'll try running the test now. Cancel, run please. But before I run this, yeah, I'm going to test something. Test it myself. Refresh. Sorry, yeah, that's okay. Yeah, we have this shell file, right? That's insert data.sh. If I click on this, it runs insert data.sh. The type is this and size is a number. Good, that's exactly what I was expecting, and it worked. Now, is this all what I'm supposed to do? Yep, that's all what I'm supposed to do. As you can see, we passed all 4 tests. We are not supposed to upload the files to a database yet. I'll clean this code. Right. We won't need mongoose. I do not know. .env maybe. Express yes. Course yeah. Cross origin. Body parser yes. Multer yes. Upload yes. Although yeah, I still have this doubt. What are we to do with this really? Okay. That's it. Yeah, that does look better. Format document, cool. So this is formatted. Save. Yeah, close here. Okay, I can open this in a replit starter object. I am concerned about one thing, is this package.json thing. How will I get it to install Multer if I can't? Okay. I can do it one way. If I ask it to print, I'll Google the error. Yeah. It was 9.8.0, I suppose. 9.8.0. Comma. Okay. Save. Install. Yes, we will get an error. Why? Because there is no such thing as Multer at. No matching version found for. Very good. I'll Google this instead. npm error, npm install etargeter. Yep, already updated. Update again. Okay, same problem. I was having issue for a package which was available. Force cleaning the cache helped. Okay, maybe that is what's causing the problems. Recommended protections disabled. I don't know if this worked or not. This says npm warn using force recommended protections disabled. Does that mean I can't clean it? As of npm 5, the npa cache self heals from corruption issues by treating integrity mismatches as cache misses. To be valid, if you want to npm cache verify, please. Cool. Cache verified and compressed. Cool. So that may not be the problem. And this question was asked 6 years ago. I'm sure a lot of changes have occurred after that. No matching version found for whatever. When your package.json file contains a package sent to an invalid or unavailable version. Cool. Clearing the cache, done. View the available module versions. npm view multiple versions. Oh yeah, that's right. That's npm view multiple versions. I can see that LTS1 being here. Now it prints 3 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc., etc. Then there is a huge jump here. Then there is a major version. Then bug fixes. Then a version that can be retracked to, maybe not retracked, restored to, so I can restore to this version if this causes problems. Cool. Okay. Then we have 144 LTS for the first time. Then the second time, this is what I copied and pasted the time before. So this is a correct keyword. This is not the correct one. Then LTS1. Maybe I made a mistake before. Let's find out. Let's try and run this again. Very good, it worked. So that's what I should have used. Save. Cool. My bad. Now I'll exit the terminal. Yeah, I think I'm done with this. We passed all 4 tests, so bye. Yep, import from GitHub, please. Yeah, while this loads, I'll make some coffee for myself. Yep, that's good enough. Now, before I run it, I'll make the necessary changes to the package.json file. Save, readme can go, and also to the index.js. And save. Cool. Saved and formatted. Yep. Done. The CPU usage is always, again, it is at 100%, 93%, and now at 24%. Cache project memory is 399. Wow. Okay, let's click on done so that it does its thing. It did its thing. If I ask it to return, run the project, it will run the project. It will first install the packages necessary. Yep, you can see this is going crazy again. It's almost at its limit. Okay. That is good. Yep. I'll copy this URL and ask it to run the tests again. I have completed this challenge. Yes, I have done. Yes, submit and go to the next one. This is done. Bye. Cool. Very cool. So I have finished backend development in APIs. Now I will go to settings and claim my certification. It is right here. Backend development and APIs. I have claimed the backend certification. Yay! Show my certification, please. Yep, I'll do that. What? I was logged out, wasn't I? But I can also do that. OAuth. What skills did it take? Node, JavaScript, of course. HTML, I don't know. Yeah, we didn't use any HTML in it. Mostly used, Node libraries though. So maybe I can write Node Express here. Nope. Suppose it's all part of Node.js. NPM. No. Suppose Node.js, JavaScript. I don't know, .env maybe. No, probably not. Yeah, I think that's it. Oh yeah, MongoDB. My bad. Mongo. Yes, we did work on MongoDB. Is the camera not on? Yeah, the camera is on. Right. Yeah, so these things I think. MongoDB. I did use. Backend certificate. Yep. Yeah, I'll share with the people. Cool. Yep. Yay. Anyway. Yeah, I think I'm done. It has posted, so I can ignore that. Okay. So, that's done. I now have interesting. I now have this. Yep. Quincy Jones. Anyway. Scroll with. Yeah, we're done anyway. What is this? Campfire. We don't use Campfire. Anyway, I'm done. Now I can get started. Get up with quality assurance certification. But I'll take a short break and I'll get started again in the next live video. So hope to see you soon.